Hey, going to jump on Knotty Dog. This is the first trail that when I got back in the biking that humbled me. Not hard, it's just tight. It reminded me how much I like kind of this sort of technical riding. You know, you can't fly through this one. It is tight. It also was when I realized wider bars are not always better. So you can tell it's very tight. I'm at, I think, like 770 bars. And that's just fine. If you're going through here, 800s were a little tight. And one or two of the trees that were tighter got taken out, probably for like winter grooming, because they actually do. I have seen this groomed, but I don't know how they get the groomer through here. But I assume it won't be groomed anymore. There's a nice, really good green trail that runs kind of parallel to here that most people now use. The groomer is designed for, basically. So on the bee's knees, I think. So that was the Who's There. That's the kind of the more easier trail now that I think wintertime we'll be using. And on the Apres Vous, it's a nice flowy trail. It'll be nice today. We got a little bit of precipitation. Geez, a little rain yesterday, so kind of further the trails up a little bit, but not enough to make them mucky. Which is perfect for this trail. This one gets a little dry and sometimes. But there's nobody back here. There's one other car back here. Well, you got the parking lot that was suiting up, but you gotta watch out for the leaves being a little slippery, especially when the leaf gets on a root. There's probably also gonna be some hunting back here today, so I've got my orange on. Should have had my bell, but I forgot it. But plus, I don't love the bell for the hunters. I don't want the hunters to know I'm here, but I don't want to mess up their hunting. So next. Moose season is over. I never mess with moose season. Stay out of the woods on those days because it's very short. But deer season's further long, so it's hard to stay out of the woods the entire time. All the leaves falling so nice. Always found this trail kind of funny. There's brooms all these corners, and all of a sudden there's not of those few. You gotta be a little careful. Okay, so there's 100 blind right around this corner or so. In there. No. It's 1 to 200 blinds you gotta be kind of careful with, but